Hello everyone, how to add categories to favorites in new Outlook. So let's start. First open your new Outlook and go to the left hand side, and here I'm going to add folder to favorites. So here I just keep cursor on draft folder and click on the three dot, then click on the add to favorites, and here in favorites you can see the top side the section is added, and in this the draft folder here added. After that, just keep cursor on the favorite sections and click on the three dot and click on the add favorites, and here in search box is added, and you can see the list of category and folder here showing. So select the ABC category, and here your category is added in favorites. Again I click on the three dot, click on the add favorites. Now I select the another category, budget meeting category, and here the budget meeting category is added. Now if you want to remove this draft folder, just keep cursor and click on the three dot and click on the remove from favorites. Okay, and now you can see your list of category showing to favorites. Now if you want to check the budget meeting categories related emails or meetings, just click on it, and you can see the budget categories meetings or emails here showing. Same for ABC category. So ABC category emails or meeting here showing. Okay. After that, if you want to hide these categories, just keep cursor on favorites and click on the three dot and click on the hide favorites option. To unhide this favorite section, go to the view tab. In layout group, click on the folder pane and then click on the favorites and click on the show favorites, and that's it. Your categories is unhide. Okay, so this is a way you can add categories to favorites in new Outlook. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.